We're doing number 11, 18 minus 9 and 1/4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 18 ones. Okay, so I have 18. I love these ones that have a whole number minus a mixed number because they're really simple, as you'll see. So what we're going to do is we're going to take away 9 and 1/4. So I just count 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then I'm also going to take away 1/4. In order to do that, I'm going to take one of the wholes and I'm going to cut it into fourths. And then I'm just going to take away 1. There. Now I've done all my subtraction right here. So what's left here that's not crossed off is the answer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3/4. 8 and 3/4 is the answer. Now, let's take a look at how we do this with the numbers. So here I have 18, and I'm subtracting 9 and 1/4. Now, a common mistake that students do is they just bring down the 1/4. All right, so what we're going to do when we subtract is we're going to first subtract the fractions. Now here, they want us to take away 1/4, but there are no fourths up here, so we have to get fourths. We have to like regroup, like in subtraction, regrouping. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these whole numbers. So we're going to cross the 18 out. Now there's 17. We're going to turn 18 into 17 and 4/4. So that's like saying 17 and 1, which is 18. So I'm going to take these 4/4 and now I have 4/4 so that I can take away one of them right here. So I have 3/4. 4/4 minus 1/4 is 3/4. So here we have 17 minus 9, which is 8. All right, here's another one. So we start off with 13. Okay, there's 13. And I'm going to take away 4 and 1/3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have to take away 1/3, so I'm going to make the next hole, I'm going to cut it into thirds. And take away one of them. And then what's left is my answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2/3. See, it's really simple with that model. Now, using the numbers, they want me to take away 1/3, but there are no thirds here, so I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take one of the whole numbers. So now there's 12 left, and I'm going to take that whole number and turn it into 3/3, because 3/3 equals 1. So again, 13 is the same thing as 12 and 1. So 3/3 minus 1/3 is 2/3. And we have 12 minus 4, which is 8. Doing it the number way is also shown in the model. So at first, if you remember, we started off with 13 holes. And then look, when we tried to subtract, we changed it. We changed one of the holes into 3/3. That's what we did here. So in order for me to take away that 1/3, I had to first make thirds. So I have shown 12 holes and 3/3, and that's what you see here. Okay, now we're going to start with 5 and 1/4 for the next problem. 5 and 1/4. So we're going to make 5 holes. And 1/4. So 1/4 would be a hole cut up into 4 pieces, and I'm just going to take one of them, so it's going to be about there. So this is 5 wholes and 1/4. All right, now we're going to take away 1 1/2. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and find a common denominator. What is the common denominator? Common denominator of 4 and 2? It is 4ths. So we're going to go with, that's 1/4, and then 1/2 is 2/4. So instead of taking away 1 and 1/2, I'm going to take away 1 and 2/4. So let's do that. We got 1 and 2/4. So I know it equals 1/2. I'm going to make 4ths first. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. And I'll take away 2 of them. You can see that's clearly half of 1. So now I just add up the rest, and I have 1, 2, 3 wholes and 3/4. So that's 3 and 3/4. Now coming back to the problem, we already found a common denominator. Now we're going to subtract. Now again, they're asking me to take away 2/4, but I only have 1/4 here to take. So I need to go get more fourths from my whole number. So I'm going to cross out the 5. I'm going to turn this into 4. I'm going to turn 5 into 4 and 4/4. And I'm going to take that 4/4 and I'm going to add it to the 1/4 that's already there. So now we have a total of 5/4. Now I have enough fourths that I can take away 2 of them. So 5/4 minus 2/4 equals 3/4. And now I have 4 wholes instead of 5. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now look, you could also see this in the drawing. At first we started off with 5 wholes and 1/4, right there. Then we had to change it into 4 and 4/4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4/4. Now I can take away 2 of them. So, there you go.